What's up, guys? I'm doing the hub replacement because I think it's shot. It makes a noise and like a really nasty noise. I got this unit at the junkyard for like 45 bucks. I turned it, everything was okay. Um, it's recommended that you turn the steering wheel so you can get more clearance, because obviously you're not gonna get clearance, to get some leverage on that bar over here on this fucking ratchet. It's two 18s right here, and both since I don't have the bracket bolt for this, I just like took the whole thing off together and put it on on my other jack stand to hold it up, so I won't strain it. Oh, what the fuck? I maybe gotta replace that later. Just a little hose. It makes a nasty sound, really nasty. I mean, it's just only held out by like 315s plus the 10, and plus, like I said, the 218s right here. So I'll get back to you on that real quick. Just gotta switch it out because it's getting nighttime.